Hello, my name is Franz Ludovico Lopez Zapana. Uh, I live in Cusco. It is a beautiful and old city. Is it is very famous and interesting. It isn't modern, but it is very special and colorful. Um, I have a laptop and notebook in my bag, and also have a pen. This is my phone, and that is a hairbook. My phone is black, and my hairbook is a blue. Okay, my bag is near the chair. My notebook is in the back. That's all about me. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.